still save your seat. The coffee's getting cold again. I made 2 cups by mistake. It's funny how some habits stay long after hearts can break. Your picture hangs beside the door, the same place it has been. And every time I walk back home, I still look up and grin. For just a second, the flowers in the garden grew. Without you here to see, the little tree we planted once is taller now than me. I wish I could have called you the day it touched the sky.